So in 1986, Fred Brooks published a paper called No Silver Bullet, The Essence and Accidents in Software Engineering. Within that paper, he asserts that there is no single development in either technology or management technique which by itself promises even one order of magnitude improvement within a decade in productivity, in reliability, or in simplicity. In the paper, he introduces the metaphor of a software project as a werewolf. A person who might otherwise appear perfectly human can transform into a monster of horror stories and of nightmares. How could a software project be such a monster? Well, for Brooks, a monster would be a project that has missed schedules, blown budgets, and flawed products. The software industry has traditionally approached large development projects as if it was building a bridge or a skyscraper. Approaches such as the waterfall model are rooted in this idea of engineering. Engineers in other disciplines have established best practice in how to analyze the requirements, establish a design, proceed to build an item, and then to test it and verify that what they've built is what was desired. So do these approaches to building software always deliver successful systems? Well, that's something we're going to ask ourselves in part of this course. Are there ways that we can improve things? Well, yes, Brooks suggested ideas such as maybe writing new computer languages to help make us more productive. Possibly buying third-party software, third-party components so that we don't have to write everything from scratch and we can use stuff that's been tested by other people, and other such ideas. Brooks explores the idea in the paper of whether advances such as these are accidents. By accident, he's not saying something that just happens by chance. He's really exploring the idea of whether it's incidental. Is it the side issue? Solving the accidents will help. We will get small gains in productivity, but is it the real core problem, the essence of the problem of software engineering? So is there a silver bullet? Is there a silver bullet that can kill the monster projects that can tame them? Does such a silver bullet tackle the core problems, the essence of the problems in software engineering? Well, in Brooks' paper in 1986, he didn't see that. He didn't see anything on the horizon. So in this first week, we're going to think more about Brooks' paper and also one of the early papers that talks about the waterfall model. We're then going to move on to look at the big ideas produced by the Agile and Agile Manifesto. And then throughout this course, Adele Sherritt and I will be introducing and talking, and we'd like to see debate from you about the different ideas that Agile puts forward for solving the essence of the problem. In the first lecture on Monday, I'd like you to come prepared, having thought about these few questions. Firstly, think back to your second year, and in particular to the group project. What approach did you take to working on the group project and trying to deliver a successful system? What went well, and what would you say could be done better? And then secondly, is building software systems like building large construction projects, such as buildings, bridges, skyscrapers? So we'll see you on Monday, and we'll pick up these themes.